Hey everyone, John here from Diode. Today we'll be showing you how to install our all-new C2R fourth brake light kit on this 2017 Subaru Crosstrek. Let's get started. Begin by opening the trunk and removing the two 10mm bolts securing the driver's side taillight. With the bolts removed, carefully pull the taillight straight back to release it. Then disconnect the factory taillight harness. Take the included taillight harness and route the DT plug down through the opening behind the bumper. Next, connect the other end of the harness in line between the vehicle's wiring and the taillight. Once connected, reinstall the taillight and tighten the bolts. Using a trim removal tool, remove the small trim piece located in the center of the rear bumper and set it aside. Now route the DT plug along the inside of the bumper and into the opening you just exposed. You can now connect the included safety strobe module. If you prefer not to use the strobe feature, feel free to skip this step. Install the two set screws into the center openings on the C2R pod using a 2.5mm Allen key, making sure they sit flush with the surface. Then insert the pod into the mounting bracket and secure it using the 4 included screws with a T25 Torx bit. Insert the larger bolts and washers through the back side of the bumper. On the front side, slide the provided spacers onto the bolts. Next, install the two clip nuts onto the back of the assembly and connect the pod. Slide the full assembly into place. Then tighten the two 8mm bolts behind the bumper. With everything installed, test for proper function and secure any loose wiring using zip ties, keeping it clear of any hot or moving parts. And that wraps it up for this one. With the C2R fourth brake light kit installed, you'll get an additional red running light, high output fourth brake light, and a significant boost in reverse light performance. If you're interested in a fourth brake light kit for your Subaru or any of our other products, be sure to visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you'd like to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products coming to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.